In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online. Setting up a credit card account in QuickBooks is an essential step to accurately track your business expenses, monitor payments, and ensure your financial records stay up to date. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to refine your setup, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can start managing your credit card transactions with ease and confidence. Before we dive in, if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. All right, let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head to your dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings options. Next, from the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially a list of all the accounts you use to track your business finances, and this is where we'll need to add the credit card account. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look toward the top right corner of the screen again. You'll see a button labeled New Account. Click on that to begin creating a new account specifically for your credit card. Now, you'll need to enter some key details for the account. Start by giving your credit card account a clear and easily recognizable name. For example, you might use the name of the bank or the specific credit card, like Chase Business Credit Card or Amex Platinum. This will help you easily identify the account later. Next, it's time to set the account type. Since this is a credit card, you'll want to select Credit Card from the drop-down menu. Once that's selected, you'll also need to set the detail type. For this, choose Credit Card again. This ensures QuickBooks knows exactly how to classify this account in your financial records. After that, enter the beginning balance for the credit card account. This should be the balance shown on your most recent credit card statement. By entering the correct starting balance, you'll establish an accurate baseline for tracking all future transactions. Along with the balance, you'll also need to input the date associated with that beginning balance. This is typically the closing date on your credit card statement. Adding this date is important because it sets the starting point for tracking your credit card activity in QuickBooks. Once all the information is filled out, review everything to ensure it's accurate. If everything looks good, click the Save button to create your new credit card account. Finally, to start managing transactions for this account, click on View Register. This will take you to the account's transaction register, where you can manually add transactions or prepare to import them from a CSV or Excel file. QuickBooks makes it easy to keep your records up to date, whether you're adding transactions manually or uploading them in bulk. And that's it. You've successfully set up a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.